today I give you short composition on rainy days. As you know students, when rain comes after hot summer, then how we feel? We feel joy, happiness. Now in this short composition I give you some points. So listen it carefully. Rainy days are essential for humanity. Rain is the most crucial source of water and irrigation for most people in the villages. While we discuss rainy days, it is vital to realize that rainwater is the source of water for ponds, lakes, and swamps. Rain is significant for crops as degradation in the rain may cause droughts. Farmers wait for the entire year so that rain can replenish their produce and bring a good harvest. Rainwater fills up wells and tanks, which are alternative sources of irrigation. Rainy days also open up the opportunity to harvest and conserve rainwater in urban setups. Many people make preparations for rainwater conservation in their terrace. They store the water for future use and emergency purpose. Rainy days are an escape for us from our mechanical lives and give us the impetus to live life to the fullest. Students, this is the short composition on rainy day. Now in this next is 10 lines on rainy days. This one is the essay for class 5th students. How to write a rainy day essay. First point, rainy days give us relief from our busy schedules and help us breathe again. Second, they are useful for crops and agriculture, as good rain ensures a good harvest at the end of the year. Third point, good harvest helps in enhancing the economy and also allows people at the grassroots level to earn their livelihood. Fourth, we see a flood of colored umbrellas on rainy days and children get drenched in the rain. Fifth point, puddles form on the streets and kids jump into them, basking in the pure pleasure of playing in the water. Sixth point, teenagers play football in the rain and they return home drenched in water and mud. Seventh point, it is beautiful to swim during rainfall as the water splashes your face and gives you great relief. Eighth point, rainy days give us the serendipity to spend time with ourselves and our families. Ninth point, however, hefty rain may cause floods that can in turn result in the destruction of life and property. 10th point, rainy days are an aesthetic get away for us and we enjoy them thoroughly. So students, here this one is the short composition on rainy day and the essay on rainy day. So all of you have to write it in your notebook and learn it.